You stretch every day, but you still feel tight, stiff, and restricted. That happens because standard relaxed stretching only addresses half the equation. It lengthens the tissue, but fails to build the muscle strength needed to control that range of motion. Prolonged daily sitting compounds the issue, keeping the hip flexors in a shortened state for hours at a time. Touching your toes for 30 seconds at the gym cannot overcome this structural habit. Changing the body's baseline requires a different methodology. Passive stretching relies on gravity to move a limb. True mobility requires the internal strength to actively pull that limb into position. This is the core training methodology utilized by elite Korean Taekwondo practitioners to develop their world-class range of motion. The success of these athletes on the global stage is built on a foundation of specific, repeatable physical habits. They maintain their mobility through a 3-movement protocol that takes 10 minutes every morning. This vertical high side kick is the result. At this level, the leg is held in place by muscle activation, not by momentum or outside force. This 10-minute sequence serves as the mandatory daily baseline for martial arts mobility. Step 1 consists of slow-motion kicks designed to build strength at the end of your current range. To gain the benefit, you must eliminate all momentum. The movement needs to be slow and deliberate. Raising the leg slowly forces the hip flexors to support the full weight of the limb as it reaches its limit. Raise your leg as high as you can while maintaining control. At the very top, maintain a strict 3-second hold before lowering the leg back down at the same slow pace. You must complete 10 repetitions on each side. Building strength at the end range of motion is what allows this flexibility to translate into actual movement. Step 2 moves from active muscle firing to deep opening. This is the wall hip stretch. Stand beside a flat wall and place one leg up against it as high as your current mobility allows, keeping your torso upright. Using a standing, weight-bearing position allows you to apply pressure to the hip capsule in a way that floor-based stretches cannot match. Passive floor stretches are common, but they often lack the intensity required to change the structural tension of the hips. Maintain this static standing hold for 60 seconds on each side. This specific 60-second hold provides a daily countermeasure to the stiffness associated with long periods of sitting. Step 3 transitions into fluid motion with dynamic leg swings. You should hold the wall for balance during this exercise. The goal is to isolate the hip joint, not to test your stability. With one hand on the wall, swing the outside leg in a controlled, pendulum-like motion forward and backward. This motion encourages the flow of synovial fluid into the hip socket, which helps to warm the joint. Perform 20 swings in each direction for both legs. Using this dynamic lubrication before training helps prepare the lower body for more intensive activity. Those are the 3 movements, 10 minutes total, performed every morning. The high level of mobility seen in large groups of practitioners is the result of this type of consistent daily discipline. By the end of the first week, you can expect a noticeable reduction in morning stiffness. By week 4, the cumulative effect of the routine leads to a level of flexibility rarely achieved through standard gym stretching. Permanent changes in mobility are the result of consistent daily frequency, rather than any specific genetic advantage. As the weeks progress, the mechanical resistance in the hip joints decreases, allowing the legs to move with increased efficiency. This increased range of motion is what enables the fluid and high-reaching movements seen here. This training methodology is now accessible for use in your own routine. The protocol is established. Success depends on the work you put in starting tomorrow morning. The methodology used by Taekwondo practitioners is now available for your daily practice.